Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix email address changed on Facebook. So in this Facebook account, go for your profile, click on settings. Now go for account center, go for personal details, click on your contact info and now click on add new contact, add email. Now you have to enter your new email, check it, over next. Now after that, it send you a confirmation code on your email. When you have it, uh, you have to enter this code here and go for just next. So you can see this is the code here. After that, you have to just go for next and you can get your new email on your Facebook profile. So that's it. This is how you can fix your email address changed on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.